Hi, welcome to Japan by Food. I'm your host, Shizuka Anderson. Today I'm all dressed up in kimono because I am in Kyoto on the Ninenzaka and Sannenzaka streets, which I'll be exploring today. These are really historic streets here in Kyoto that slope up toward Kiyomizu-dera temple. And these streets are so popular since ancient times, and they're lined with souvenir shops, sweet shops, and of course, delicious restaurants. So I can't wait to take a walk. Let's go explore. And for those of you who stick around to the end of this video, we have a little something special for you. The Ninenzaka Street actually was first built in the year 807, and the Sannenzaka Street was built in the following year in 808. But can you believe how much history this place has? There is a slightly morbid fun fact about this hill. It's said that on the Ninenzaka, if you stumble and fall while treading on these steps, you are destined to die within 2 years. And on the Sannenzaka, if you stumble and fall, you'll die within 3 years. So that's a little bit of advice to you to tread very carefully while climbing these steps. I'm gonna be very careful. Here we are at a restaurant called Okutan, which has actually been around since the year 1635. And it's a historic tofu shop. Oh my goodness. This has got to be the perfect place to have a traditional Kyoto meal. Look at this beautiful tatami room, and the sliding doors open out into the garden so you can feel the breeze because the windows are open. So here we have the boiled tofu, which is called Yudofu in Japanese, and this is what this restaurant is most famous for. So I'm gonna get to try what the traditional tofu tasted like, and the bottom layer is a more modern style tofu, a little bit silkier and made the modern way using machines. This is the taste that made local people fall in love with this restaurant. Here we go. I understand. Since this is completely handmade, the texture feels a little bit rougher. It doesn't have, I think for people who come from abroad, I don't think you'd find that it has a ton of flavor. It does mostly taste like soybeans. Next, I'm gonna try it with their famous dashi. Here we go. You can get a little bit of the crunch of the green onions. The shimi spice adds a wonderful burst of flavor. But what's remarkable about it is it's not too salty. It's got this wonderful, mild, delicate flavor of Kyoto. All right, now it's time to try the modern day tofu. Okay, let's give it a try. Here we go. The texture is completely silky and it slides down your throat. I think both of them have their good qualities, and I love that you can compare both because I love a little bit of texture, but I also like a smooth, silky tofu too. I have just arrived at Nesshinya, which is a restaurant that's known for its wonderful black-haired wagyu beef. And they have a lot of different wagyu items. I'm here for one of their most popular items, which is the double wagyu triple cheese rice burger. The buns are made of rice, and there's wagyu inside. Let's get that. Thank you so much. Oh, beautiful presentation. Oh, so there's the wagyu cutlet, and then there's slices of wagyu on top as well?
Yes,
is that what it
exactly.
Is?
And
nice.
with some barbecue sauce. The beef was cooked with barbecue sauce.
Ooh.
And some Gouda cheese roasted.
On top, and I think there's 3 different types of cheese.
Exactly.
Oh, that looks so good.
And of course, you got the rice buns.
The rice buns. All right, now it's time to dig in. It looks so delicious. Rice bun burgers were really popular in Japan for a little while, but I never actually had a chance to try them before. So this is gonna be my first time having a rice bun burger with wagyu inside and a wagyu cutlet and Gouda cheese. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be Gouda. There are so many flavors and textures in this burger. First of all, the cheese is smoked, blowtorched to perfection, so you get this smoky, smoky flavor. The wagyu beef is really tender on top, also smoky, One other thing that's really unique about this, I think, is the fact that it has the rice buns. It's less of a burger, traditional burger, and a little bit more of a fusion between Japanese. Like there's a lot more Japanese influence in this bite. This is it. Wow. I am going to scarf this down because it's so good, but finally, I think I want to go find something sweet to wrap things up. I've arrived at Kumonocha. This is a beautiful little cafe, and they're known for their really adorable sweets. This is a cloud dessert, and they have their classic one, but right now they also have their blue cloud called Aoi Kumo. So I think I'm gonna go inside and give this a try. Wow, this looks so nice. Arigatou gozaimasu. Wow, this is beautiful. Let's go outside. This is such a beautiful place to sit down with the wind chimes. I'm blown away, almost literally, by the wind chimes. All right, it's time to try the Aoi Kumo Setto, the blue cloud set in English, inside this beautiful enclosed Japanese style garden. This is a lamune soda. It's a very summery Japanese childhood drink. It's soda, but I just got a little taste of jelly in my mouth. So I think it has little jelly bits inside, which are really pleasant. It's not too sweet. It's kind of a mature twist on a classic children's drink. It's very tasty. All right, now it's time to try what is arguably the star of the show. It's the blue cloud bread, which is supposedly a cloud bread, but also a mousse, a blueberry mousse. Let's give it a try. That is really, it's very new. I don't think I've ever tried anything quite like it. It does taste like a blueberry mousse, but it has a slightly fluffier consistency. The inside is a peach gelée, which is kind of a peach jelly, a little bit firmer than a jello. And it's got a really fluffy blueberry mousse around it, a slightly crispy sugar coating on the top, and some sponge cake on the bottom. So it's a really interesting dessert, and it's very tasty. Here we are. This is my last stop of the day. This is called Tamago Parlor, and tamago meaning egg. I presume it's because they're well known for their pudding that uses eggs in it. But today I'm actually not here to eat the pudding. I'm here to try the classic melon soda. And I think this is really, really cute. So let's go inside and give it a try. This room is so adorable. It's designed like a retro Japanese living room with the TV. And this is, honestly, this is how people would hang out in their living rooms, I want to say, well, shortly after World War II. As you can see, I've already ordered my drink. I've got the classic melon soda, and just to see what it would look like, I ordered the mango soda as well, which I think is really cute, a little bit more modern. But let's try the classic one. All right, let's give it a try. Oh, that's good. Really refreshing. And of course, it's got that cream soda aspect to it. Nice. It does taste a little bit artificial because it is a green soda. So it might not be for everyone, but this is a really classic taste in Japan. So if you want to try that, I think it's really worth a try. And just because it's quite unique, I haven't seen this before, let's give a taste of the mango soda. Here we go. I might have to say that I actually prefer this over the melon soda. I think just because it really tastes like mango juice, but mixed with soda. Well, this concludes my very fun day here in Kyoto on the Ninenzaka and Sannenzaka streets, and I had such a blast. It kind of felt like walking through ancient Japan, which I really was. So I definitely recommend a visit here the next time you come to Japan. And for the viewers who stayed till the very end of this video, I have a very special giveaway for you. We are giving away the chance to win a private tea ceremony experience here in Kyoto. This is definitely going to be an amazing experience, so if you'd like to join, you can type in the comments down below, "I want to join," and one of you will be selected to win. Anyway, if you like this video, don't forget to give us a like, comment to enter to win, and don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you guys very soon in another video. Bye!